Hello, good morning, children. Children, welcome in today's science class. What we will do today? Today we will start the revision. One by one, we have completed the 4 lessons. We will do the revision of the lessons one by one, which will be about to come in half yearly examination. Okay, the first lesson we will start is soil. Today we will start the revision work of the lesson soil. After that, I will give a worksheet to you. You have to solve it in your fair notebook. I will share in PDF form. From there, you can see, and just now we will discuss that also. And in your fair notebook, you have to solve that worksheet. Let's revise the lesson one by one. I am going to show my screen. Okay, children? Let's see one by one. Children, as you all know, what is soil? Soil is the uppermost layer of the earth on which plants grow. A question can be asked, soil is the upper layer of earth, middle layer of earth or lower layer of earth? What you will answer? The soil is the upper layer of the earth. Okay, children, in your exam, many different types of questions will come. So it's compulsory to read each and every line. Okay, and understand that. Children, soil is composed of means it is made up of how many things? Gravel, sand, silt, clay, humus, air, and water. By mixing these things, yes, soil, these are the component of the soil. When you get mixed soil in the water, you will be able to see in these all component. And you all know that there are 3 types of soil: sandy soil, clay soil, and loam. And the different layers of soil are topsoil, subsoil, and the parent rock. Children, soil gets eroded. How a soil erosion occurs? Due to wind, water, and human activities causes soil erosion. And soil erosion can be stopped or checked by various methods. The methods are afforestation. What is afforestation? Planting more and more tree. And the terrace farming. It is a special type of farming by making the terrace on the slope to avoid the soil erosion. Let's read about the key point. What is weathering? The process by which rocks are broken down into small pieces is called weathering or weathering of rocks. And why it happens? How it happens? Due to heating and cooling. The big rocks turns into small rock, then further they changes into soil particles. It takes millions of years and it is a very slow process and a continuous process. And what is deforestation? Cutting down of forest is called deforestation. Nowadays our population is increasing. When population increases, we need much home. People need more home, for making furnitures in their home. They cut the trees and this results the deforestation. And what is afforestation? Planting trees to form a forest is called afforestation. It is very important step for our saving our environment. Why? Because plants gives us oxygen. When we will plant more trees, we will get more oxygen because in the cities the population is increasing day by day. Number of the people is increasing. They all breathe and they need oxygen to breathe. And from where we will get the oxygen? Only plants are the source which produces oxygen. So we should do the process of afforestation. Means we should plant more and more trees. Come to the next. Here are the book exercises which you have to do. Soil is a precious resource. Precious मतलब बहुत बहुमूल्य है. क्यों? It is very expensive. It takes millions of years to form. This is the right answer. It is very heavy, cannot be moved easily. These are the wrong. So which you will take out? Tick. Takes millions of years to form. And soil is composed of sand, silt and clay, air and water, humus. ऑल ऑफ दी सॉइल किससे मिलके बनता है? इन सभी चीजों से. सैंड, सिल्ट, क्ले, एयर, वाटर, ह्यूमस. सो ऑन विच यू विल टेक ऑल ऑफ दीज. नाउ चिल्ड्रन, the middle layer of the soil in a soil profile is called subsoil. Now, we have made now. You have seen this soil profile? Yes. In the book there is picture also. Soil erosion is caused due to overgrazing, afforestation, step forming or weathering. It is due to overgrazing. Yes. Come to the next. We can protect soil from erosion and maintain its quality by cutting down trees? No. Throwing garbage or land? No, it will cause land pollution. Planting different crops at different times? Yes, this is the right answer. Come to the next one. Filling the blanks. Many medicines are prepared from bacteria and fungi that grow in soil. A very important antibiotic, that is penicillin, it is made by a fungi. And dash particles are largest soil particles. Sand, that's why it does not contain water, because there is a lot of space between the sand particles. The water filters from the space. And dash is the most suitable soil for growing plants. Of course, loam, because it holds both air and water. And for planting trees, for growing plants, what they need? Both things, air and water. So loam is the most suitable soil for growing plants. The bottom layer of soil is called parent rock. These are the big rocks. They are called parent rock. Embankments are built along river banks to prevent soil erosion. नदी के किनारे सॉइल इरोजन को करने के लिए, सॉइल को इरोज होने से बचाने के लिए एम्बैंकमेंट्स बनाए जाते हैं. यस. कम टू द सी. राइट T for true and F for false. Silt is not a part of soil. It is false. It is a part of soil. Soil is made up of silt. Now come to the second. Clay particles can hold water for a long time. True. Yes, because there is little space between them, they are able to hold the water. That's why the rice, the धान की खेती होती है ना clay soil में, it needs lot of water, and the clay soil remains the water for a long time, so it is suitable for growing rice. Now, subsoil is rich in humus. False. The humus is present at the topsoil. And what is humus, dear? Humus is the dead remains of plants and animals. Now, terrace or step slow down the flow of rainwater. Yes, true. That's why terrace farming is done on the mountain hilly areas, to prevent the loss of soil. Now, children, you have to find out these words. You can do it very easily. Come to the next. This is the activity which we have done. Now, you can see what is the meaning of this activity. What you will observe? That what you will see? The tray lost more soil. Which of the tray lost more soil? The first tray, where there is no plant, because the roots of the plant holds the soil and prevent the soil erosion. Okay, this is the observation of this. Come to the next. Yes, you should do or not do? Throw all the garbage on land. False. It will cause land pollution and soil become buried. Na? Dig a compost pit in the corner of your garden and put living waste materials such as vegetable, fruit paste, dry leaves, flowers and tea leaves in it. Yes, it is very very useful. You will can make a humus. आप खाद बना लेते हो and that is very very good for growing the plant. We all must have kitchen garden and we can use the big gamlas for the kitchen garden. We can grow there pudina, dhania, okay, and plant more trees. It is true. Now leave open areas in your garden without growing any plant. No, we should not do. For taking care of soil, we should plant more and more trees because when heavy rain will come, it will flow down the top uppermost fertile layer of the soil. Na? Avoid using plastic bags. Yes, this is very harmful. We should use paper bag or clothes bag. We should not use plastic bags. These are the question answer which you have already done, and this exercise we have done, na? Yes. Come to this. This is the important thing which you have to do. This is the new thing. This is today's classwork which you have to do in your fair science notebook. You will write today's date and classwork and you will solve this. I will give the this solved also. Let's solve together. पहले हम लोग मिलके solve करते हैं. Then I will share the complete answers of this worksheet. Which of the following statement is not true for soil? Here are the 4 statements about soil. A, B, C, D. 3 is wrong and 1 is right. You have to pick a correct one. In the exam, such type of questions will come. You will be able to, I think you will be able to do. Now, any different types of questions can be asked in this format. Any different answers will be. But the pattern will be of same type. You will be able to do? Yes. What you have to do? You have to take the correct answer. You have to put a tick. Only once the answer is true. You have to find out which of the following statement is not true. जो soil के बारे में नहीं सही है. Soil provides a medium in which plants can grow. Of course it is true. It is necessary medium for the growth of plant. Huh? Soil act as a water filter. Yes, this is also true. Soil में से water filter होके नीचे collect होता है ना, ground में water collect होता है ना. Now come to the C. Soil provides shelter to many living things. Yes, this is also true. Then which statement is not true? We have to find out the statement which is not true. Soil can be formed in a few years. Yes, this is the wrong statement about soil. Millions of years take place to make formation of soil. Na? So you will take out the answer D. Which answer you will take out? D. D is not true for the soil. Come to the second one. The most suitable soil for growing plant is clay, sandy, loam, none of these. Of course, loam. Loam is the most suitable soil for growing plants. Na? Why? Because it can hold both air and water. Come to the third one. Protecting soil from erosion and maintaining its quality is known as soil erosion, soil conservation, deforestation or weathering. It is known as soil conservation. Soil को बचा के रखना, conserve करना. Okay? The answer is B. Cutting down of large number of trees in a forest is known as deforestation. Cutting down को क्या कहते हैं? Deforestation. It is the opposite of the afforestation. Now I am giving this answers. Here you can see the answer. Which of the following statement is not true for soil? Soil can be formed in a few days. You have to write the answers. How you will write in your notebook? You will write the question and write the correct answer. You have to solve it in your fair notebook. This is not in your book. Don't go to search in your textbook. आपके टेक्स्ट में नहीं मिलेगा. This is I have made for the revision. So nobody will ask, ma'am, where it is in the book. Okay. This is for revision worksheet. These are the revision worksheet. Another worksheet I will also share. Now you will solve these worksheet in your fair notebook. And this is the preparation for your examination. Okay. The most suitable soil for growing plant is loam. And protecting soil from erosion and maintaining its quality is known as soil conservation. Cutting down of large number of trees in a forest is known as deforestation. Okay? Children, read the lesson. Each and every line I am saying again and again. A question can be formed. We will practice. In the classes, I will ask the question between the lesson. Okay? So read the lesson carefully and I will make some new questions from the pages of the book, these lessons, and you have to answer. An examination also, the question will come like that. Okay? You all will be able to do this in your fair notebook. Yes, children? You all can do this. You will do this in your fair notebook. Yes. And practice. Okay? The main thing to understand. You have already written question answer. No need to write again the question answer. Just you repeat the book exercises. You have to learn it. And the worksheet which I have provided today, you have to solve in your fair notebook and learn that. Okay, children? Bye-bye. Meet you soon in the next class. Read the lesson. Okay, dear?